Dell laptop 7 beep solution. We'll see. Now 7 beeps according to the Dell site, it is a CPU error. Now we'll open and see what actually problem is. Even CPU bad or CPU voltage is missing, any voltage to the CPU is missing, then it is a possible case of 7 beeps. So we'll see, open and see it is a Dell 3521 model. So LA9104P, motherboard part number. So power on this board. Okay, LED glowing. So it means power on. Fan running. Fan also spinning. So you can say standby voltage are okay. Shutdown state is okay. And we can check the run voltages. Anyway, we go one by one. First to start with 5 volts. So 5 volts, 3 volts. So PL200 and PL201. Identify those two coils. Check the voltages 5 and 3.3 are correctly present or not. So PL200 and PL201, that are two coils where you can check the 5 volts always supply. That is 5 volts S5 state voltages are present correctly or not. Which one you are checking? 3.3. Okay. Another one, another coil. 201. First positive terminal దగ్గర పెట్టొచ్చు.
ప్లస్ పాజిటివ్ టర్మినల్ లో పెట్టొచ్చు.
4.1 వస్తుంది. So it's a low voltage is coming out. We'll see. Okay, next. Next one is memory voltage. Check the memory voltage. So how much?
1.5.
1.5 memory voltage is coming out. Okay, next one is after memory voltage PL400 1.8 voltage, PL500 1.05, PL600 VCCSA. So one by one you are going to check. ఏ కాయిల్ మీరు చూస్తుంది 1.8 PL400. Okay, what is the voltage at PL400? 1.8. That is also correct. Next
PL500.
400. After that PL500. What is the voltage at PL500? Sure?
PL500.
It should be 1.05.
Yes.
So no voltage is coming. PL500 voltage is missing. Okay, next.
PL600.
PL600.
Okay, check it. So what should be the voltage?
0.85 to 0.9.
No voltage is coming out.
No, sir.
So 1.05 VCCP voltage is missing. Another one is VCCSA, service agent supply is missing. Okay. And another one is 5 volts, so always supply is low. Okay. So we move on. Next we move on to check whether the run voltages are present correctly or not, because VCCP and 1.05 VCCP as well as the VCCSA both are run voltages. So first we will go and check the switches which give the 5 volts, 3 volts, 1.5, etc., whatever you identify. So then we come back. So first 5 volts, 3 volts, run voltage identification.
QZ1.
So QZ1 is giving the 5 volts run voltage. Drain is a standby voltage, that is shutdown state voltage, QZ1. Drain దగ్గర ఎంత voltage ఉంది 4.12. Actually 5 volts always itself is coming low.
Yes, sir.
So that is a one problem.
Yes, sir.
And what is the source voltage? So again, so input is 4.1, we are getting the output is a 4.1. And actually MOSFET is driven, still we are getting the low voltage. So that is the first thing we have to see. So why 5 volts always supply is coming low? Okay. What about the 3.3? 3.3 switches? QZ7, kada? So QZ7. What is the voltage?
3.3, sir.
So that is a run voltage.
Yes, sir.
So source diagram check chesta?
Source drain, sir.
Drain. What about the source?
3.3.
3.3. 3.3 is passing well. The issue with 5 volts. We will see the reason. So we got so much of rust formed around the 5 volts 3 volts regulator IC, and we reflowed that chip. Now let us see whether the voltage is restored or not. Now check the voltage. PL201 coil voltage check. How much? Okay, now instead of 4.1, the 5.1 got restored. So now you can go and check the voltages, so like 1.05 and VCCA, all these voltages. Check the voltage. 1.05. So that is VCCP voltage is restored by restoring the 5 volts always to the exact, because this IC, the PWM IC, which is driving this 1.05, works with 5 volts always supply, and instead of 5 volts you are giving only 4.1. You cannot expect it to work properly. Now you got the voltage. Now coming to the run voltages.
PL600.
Go and see the PL600. How much you are getting?
0.85.
Correct. 0.85 voltage, that is VCCSA, service agent supply.
Yes, sir.
So that is also restored. By restoring the 5 volts always, so all the voltage regulators are okay. Now coming to the V core supply, processor voltage. CPU core. Which coil? PL700, 701.
701, sir.
701. So what is the voltage at 701?
1.28.
Huh?
1.2.
1.28. So processor voltage is also okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll put the display. Power on. That's okay. So simply what is the problem here? Instead of the 5 volts S5, that is always supply, you are getting 4.1. So that is causing two regulators not working properly. What is 1.05 and VCCSA. If these two regulators don't work, then what happens? You don't get the V core supply. That is 1.1 voltage you could see.
Yes, sir.
So you don't, when V core supply is missing, no voltage is going to the CPU, it is showing CPU error, but it's not actually CPU error,
Yes, sir.
right?